Okay, so this is Sammy, who's buzzing at the moment. She's just done a second day on the permanent makeup startup course with Katy. Now, Sammy, today we had 2 clients in, as we normally do for brows, and not the easiest of clients as well. We've had 2 professional makeup artists, permanent makeup artists in today, both who train with us. One in particular that's been a makeup artist for 18 years and has done permanent makeup 3 years ago with us, who's obviously doing really well. And we only just told you that.
Yeah, I know, when you told me.
And he just told you how experienced she was. So actually, how was it this morning? Because this morning you got to see Kate work mostly, but then you obviously did get to do some work as well.
Got to have a go on there. Yeah, really good watching her because I'm more of a kind of hands-on person to learn. So yeah, it was nice to see how she did it, and my nerves were going 10 to the dozen. When she turned around and said, "Do I want to go?" It's my turn. I was like, "Oh my god!" and I couldn't breathe. But after the first couple of strokes, yeah, I really, really enjoyed it. Absolutely loved it. So,
really?
Yeah,
do you think the sort of practicing yesterday and everything sort of paid off?
Yeah, definitely. I think had I not used the needle before, definitely I'd have been nervous. But because obviously I got practice with it yesterday.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's so relaxed. I just really, I don't know what it is. It's really enjoyable. Like I really love it. So.
Okay, brilliant. Well, that's good. And then this afternoon we had another permanent makeup artist in who trained with us recently, who's also been doing makeup for about 15 years.
I know.
To which you couldn't believe. And you were actually working for the best part of a couple of hours on her. So how was it actually doing like pretty much most of the procedures today?
Yeah, brilliant. Obviously, Katy gave me the guideline, which was good to work with. Obviously, because I was still a bit nervous.
Yeah.
But yeah, I was straight in there. I couldn't believe it, next to the tail, and who was it? I got to perfect it, which again, which made me feel really confident in the treatment itself. So yes, I feel as on a high at the moment.
Brilliant. And was it good to actually see people that we've trained like years and years ago that are doing really, really well themselves?
Definitely. Nice just to see sort of where I can head to and what I can do, and that if I work hard enough, that I can get what I want to actually get to. So yeah, it's
excellent.
Lovely.
And they've obviously been encouraging you as well.
Yeah, lots of tips, lots of extra tips in there. So brilliant.
Excellent. Cool. So you've enjoyed doing brows today then?
Yes, I have. I can't wait to do the eyeliner and the lips.
Brilliant. Excellent. We'll have a good drive back today, and we'll look forward to catching up with you shortly.
Lovely. Thank you so much.
No problem. See you soon. Bye.